This is how to install the bar mount for the Beeline Moto 2. Inside the box you'll find the mount fully assembled, so you'll need a 2.5mm Allen key to take it apart. First remove the bolt in the middle of the mount, and then out comes the plastic insert. Then underneath you'll find a second bolt which you can take out as well. And once you've got this out, you can open the mount and you can take out this rubber shim. Now there are 4 in the pack, so you'll need the one that fits your particular bars. And they've all got the diameter stamped on the top, so you can either measure up or you can just try each one and see which fits the best. Then you've got to line up this rubber mount inside the bar clamp and wrap it around your bars. Now the key thing here is to make sure that it's at the right angle for good visibility in the position that you'll be sat on the bike. Once you're happy with that, you can replace this little bolt. And you might want to just half tighten it first so that you can sit on the bike and make sure that the angle is right for the device in your sort of natural riding position. Once you're happy with it, fully tighten it up and then replace this plastic insert and bolt, making sure that the plastic insert sits level so that the device is level once it's locked into the mount. Then last up, you can simply twist in your Beeline Moto 2 and you're ready to go.